So I'm in a Microsoft Excel page, and suppose if this row or column I am working, I want to select the row or column I am working, the focus cell feature is there. That is, I must simply click the view here, and from the view, if you click this focus cell, it will be highlighted. For example, I am working in this cell, then I'm typing F here, or you can type whatever you want. Then you can see that the row or column of the cell that we are working is highlighted here, and you can see a color here, and this we discuss how to change the color for this focus cell. So for doing this, you must click this focus cell, and below the focus cell here the focus cell color option, and from here you can choose the color you want. If I want to change the color, then you can see that you simply select the focus cell, and from here focus cell color you can choose the color from the standard color that you want. So this way you can change the color of focus cell in Microsoft Excel. Okay, hope you enjoy this video. For more videos, you can subscribe. Thank you.